Tired of complicated payment methods? Let's ditch the stress and learn how to send money with PayPal in just a few easy steps. First, head over to PayPal's website or open the PayPal app on your phone. Go ahead and log into your account using your email address and password. This will take you to your PayPal dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Send and Request button, usually located at the top of the screen or in the main menu. Click on it to proceed to the payment initiation page. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. Make sure you double-check that you have the correct information to avoid sending money to the wrong person. Next, specify the amount of money you want to send. Enter the exact amount into the designated field, being careful to include the correct currency if you are sending internationally. Here's an important step: choose the payment type. Select whether you are paying for a good or service which offers beer protection or sending to a friend. This will impact any fees associated with the transaction. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your transaction on the confirmation screen. This will show you the recipient's information, the amount you're sending, and the payment method you are using. If everything looks good, click the Send Money Now or similar confirmation button to complete the transaction. PayPal will process the payment and notify both you and the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully sent money using PayPal. It's quick, easy, and a secure way to transfer funds to friends and family.